How to hide your following list on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm Hatsu60. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find account privacy, click on it. After you're in account privacy, turn on private account. Press on switch to private at the bottom. Press on OK. And after private accounts is turned on, only the people you accept to follow will be able to see your following. Other people won't be able to see your following unless you accept them. So, this is one method. There is no direct way to simply hide your following list on Instagram as well. And this is how to hide following list on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.